Hi! In front of me is DOOGEE S80 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. Firstly, go into Settings and scroll down. After that, select Security and Location, tap on Face Unlock and choose Enroll Face. After that, you need to enter your current login method. Read the disclaimer, click on Start Enroll and read the instructions. Then click on OK. Now, when I go back, turn off my screen then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!